Section 2.3, its main idea is to talk about factors, and factors are numbers that go into another number. Let's say that we're going to list the factors of, say, 20. Well, 1 in itself, 1 times 20. 2 will go in because it's even, 2 times 10. 3 won't because some of the digits. 4 will, times 5. And we already have 5 on the list. So we've gotten all the factor pairs, because factors always come in pairs, of 20. And this is listing them in all possible ways. Now a good check as we do this is this side goes up, this side goes down. And that's going to be our good check in how we do these problems to make sure we got all the factors. Let's do another one. Let's do 24. So we're going to have 1 times 24, because it's always going to start with 1 in itself, because they both go in. 2, because it's even, 2 times 12. 3 goes in, some of the digits, 2 and 4 are 6. So 3 there, times 8, is 24. 4 will, times 6. 5, nope, doesn't end in a 5 or a 0, when I already have 6. So I know that I've gotten all of my factor pairs. Remember, as this side goes up, this side's going down. That's listing them in all possible ways. That's what they're asking you to do in the book. So they're asking you to find the factors. These are all factors in all possible ways. The other skill they're talking about is simply to list the factors. So if I was listing the factors of 20, I would have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Same information, just in a different form. Let's do another one. Let's say we were doing the factors of 100 in all possible ways. So I have 1 times 100, 2 times 50, 3 doesn't because the sum of the digits isn't 3 or divisible by 3. So 4 times 25, 5 goes in because it ends in a 5 or a 0, times 20. 6, no, because 3 isn't on the list. 7, no. 8, no. 9, no, but 10 does. 10 times 10. So again, as this side goes up, this side's going down. When it's the same number or smaller, we've got all of our factors. So then, taking this information then, in the list form, I have 1 and 100, 2 and 50, 4 and 25, 5 and 20, and 10. Notice I didn't list 10 twice, even though I have 2 10s on this form. But all they're asking me to do is simply list the factors. So I don't need to write it twice because I just need the number that goes into the larger number. So I just need the smaller ones. Don't need to list it twice. So let's do one more just to make sure we're clear on this. So let's look at 15. So if we're doing it all possible ways, we're doing 1 times 15. 2 doesn't go in, 3 does, and 5. Okay, so that's listing in all possible ways. And then since I have the answer already, I'm just simply going 1, 15, 3, and 5. So all possible ways is this. Simply listing the factors is this way. Good luck with the homework.